We've asked Chief Shining Turtle and Chief Hare to also come up as the mover and seconders of this this resolution that was passed in Alderville, to come up and say a few short words also to their involvement in this process. So Chief Hare and Chief Shining Turtle, if you can come up to say a few words, we'd appreciate your comments.
Yeah, good morning everybody. Chief Shining Turtle of the Ojibways of Whitefish River. The Grand Council that was held in Alderville May 31st to June 2nd. It shows on the record that I did second a motion on the declaration of a commitment to the Constitution. The working group has sent me many drafts in the last since May, and I'm pleased to report that the document that you have in front of you clearly reflects the intent of the Resolution 2011-04, and we've seen evidence of that this morning where we read the actual document to the citizens at large, and that we continue to move forward with the work. And I'm pleased to see the excellent work by the Working Committee to dialogue across the nation, I guess, to bring this document to fruition. And I am most supportive of where we stand today, and I commend them for their hard work and the expedited efforts that they put into making this document available for today's session. Miigwech.
Well, good morning, everybody. I just want to say a few words regarding, the document that has been prepared and is now before you. Earlier this morning, we had comments like, let's get going and let's get started and let's get somewhere. And like Roger Day, I've been around since 1836 as well. And I've heard that all of the years that I've been coming to these Grand Assemblies. Many, many years now, the chiefs around the table have said, let's do something. Let's act. Let's move forward. Well, this is another time on another matter that we have to take those words to heart, that we have to, I guess, make a decision. And it's very hard to make a decision because everybody has their own point of view, of course, and they're entitled to present that point of view. But discussions have gone on for years on this. First of all, the preamble, and as well as the Constitution itself. It's been worked on. It's been shortened. We shortened the document last summer, and we approved the preamble. So the preamble is not up for discussion. It's already been passed. Kaya manda mino anchquid wat dazina. Shashmanda gidwat jigade. Mino go kina wayagina damadan. Wayaki ding, Scorchki Mount Juding. The rest of this document is what is up for, I guess, discussion and finally resolution. And so the good thing about it is that it's not closed to everybody. That in fact we only adopt the balance of the Nakunigeo in principle. And it gives us, all of you, time to give more input, time to make recommendations and time to make the changes that you want to see. But I think we have to start off with something, and we did that already with the preamble. mish mandagi bi doat gi mount joding mishi dapanami. So the time has come again to take the next step and to adopt this, this document that has been presented to us all. So I think the time is over to continuously, each of us get up and say, I don't like this part, and I don't like that part, and we got to change this, and we got to change that. We have to have some discipline here and believe in the work that has been done by the committee. And we have to believe in the work of the elders. There is a time to believe and a time to trust each other. And that time is now. And so I would urge all of you, the voting delegates, to consider the resolution almost right away. And then we vote on it. And then we go on with other business. So that's what I urge all of us to think about. That there is time for change and a time for improving, the law that will govern our thinking and our beliefs. So with that, I also say, Chimigwech, Scorch Gagi the Dick Gagi the Jigimaki Mount Juding. Minoge Gundak Nango Na Gana the Mage Jikwi Shibi Gadek Manda Zinigan. My Chief Craig Abdas, Manda Ginigan Zikidan Dakit, Papichin winning Iwin, the Mark and Akrigat. After Shungim Nom Danega Shibi Gadek. Midas Nango Jadapna Ming. Now, Miigwech.
Aho. Miigwech, Chief Hare and Chief Shining Turtle, for coming forward and sharing those comments of support for the work that's been completed.